All right, guys, so let's go into the main business of the day. Remember to subscribe to my channel to get more updates when I make new videos. All right, let's go to payments. Now I've already set up my payment address. I'm just going to edit some things, show you some things. All right, let's go to manage payments. Forget about this. As a new user, you're not gonna see this way. What you're gonna see is add payment account. So when you get there, when you click on add payment accounts, that's when you're going to see it like this. Okay, like this. Okay, right now you can see I've already set up my name. Make sure you use your right details. Okay, now this is my address, this is where I reside, and this is my town. This is the town. Okay, this is the town and this is the city. Okay, so I what I did here, I used I added the town to where I reside, to the place I reside, and I added the city on the town slash city. I can either use these two. I can either use this together here. Okay, I can either use it this way, but I prefer the way I use it and it worked for me. You too can choose the same method. Okay, now on this address line too, just ignore it. So for this, I'm going to take this back to where it was because it has already been verified. All right, on this postal code can also be known as zip code. Okay, you're gonna search the postal code of the nearest town close to you. Like I said, this is the town. This is the town where I reside, and this is close to me. Okay, this is close to me. So what I did was I searched for Moji postal code. Okay, this is what I did. Let me show you. All right, it's already here. Moji postal code. So what I did was I copied this. The whole of this here, and I pasted it. I went to my Admob here and paste it here. Okay, now the next one is the state where you're from. You can make use of this arrow here to select the state where you're from. So this is Rivers, and the phone number, you can either put the phone number or you ignore it. It doesn't matter. So when you're done, just go ahead and hit on the save or submit button. Depends on what's showing on your account. Okay, so go ahead and hit it. So when you're done, you're still gonna see, okay, when you're done, you're still gonna see something like this. Is another account. Okay, this is another account. You're still gonna see something like this, but do not panic. Do not panic. Okay, so they are going to approve your account. You can see here, when I set up this account, they said your account is being verified. All right, so you can wait for 24 hours or you wait for 48 hours. So it doesn't take time as long as you use the right details. Okay, if you're from Ghana, UK, US, you're from Nigeria, you're from any part of the world, okay, make sure you use your right detail. Do not hide anything from Google. Okay, so let me go back to home here. Okay, so this is it. This is what I have earned so far. Okay, this is one of my accounts that I'm using to earn. So if you're interested in learning from me how to earn legitimately using Admob, you can as well DM me. Okay, I'll put my number below the description. You can message me on WhatsApp and I will teach you how to earn with Admob legitimately. Okay, so all right, take care guys, see you.